Hey guys, it's me Jacob back again with another video. This video I got a package from Speaking Shop and we're gonna see what's inside. It was supposed to come yesterday, but the order got canceled or something like that, and I had to wait a few more days. So what I got here is the GTS 3M magnetized. Can't wait to try that. I already had the limited edition one, but I wanted to get this one so I could do competitions when I do. And I have the MGC 6x6. Controlius. I want to try this. And then we have all of these lubricants, the Nebula. I want to try them because I already have the other thing. So let's start with the 6x6, the bigger cube. Oops. So what we would do is we cut the box. Yeah, cut the box, and my Volk 5x5 is coming in a few days, so I'm getting my 6x6 because I want to start 6x6. There's this little strap that says MGC.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be lit.
That sounds good. I usually try to get like a. When I play, I usually try to get like a loadout drop or something.
Whoops. So it says YJ right here. So this is the YJ magnetic 6x6. Ooh, this is not that big, but I wanna see how it's gonna work. And we have a few accessories right here, and that's basically it. These things are quite annoying to open. Okay, it turns really nice, but it's just almost had a pop there. It's very loose. So let's see it. That's just insane. I can do M moves with it. So this is my first magnetized 6x6. I had a Yushin Little Magic, but I lost it. So I'm probably gonna retension this and do a solve after. Let's get into the GTS 3M. I already have a stickered the Confident Blue, so let's see how the stickerless is. So we got the cube itself and the accessory box. Let's look into the accessory box. We have a pamphlet, these red tools, that's probably for the tensioning, a screwdriver, spare magnets, elasticity, to change the elasticity, and one of those things for that you put underneath the screw. That's just the thing. Ugh. And I have another one to open up. This thing is hurt to open, and they're a pain. So I like this one has ridges, which is really nice. Alright, new main. I messed up on the M moves right there. Let me just see what I do. Yeah. It's very smooth, this cube, but it's very loose. I need to tension it and probably give it some Controlius. They say Controlius like slows it down a little bit, so let's get into Controlius. It's very dry, you could tell. And let's just take this out.
I need a better, I need to get my sniper.
Yeah, so we get this out, and then this is the tip. Now we could just put a little bit in. And I could put a lot. Ooh, it's a little runny. It's not as like runny as
I got Jerboa, whatever, like the FLR 556.
Pause it.
No, I can't. So
You can edit the video.
I'm not good at it. Yeah, so this Controlius works really nice with it, because it started to overshoot, but this is really helping it. Yeah. So let's just do a scramble and a solve on both my cubes. I'm gonna make a review on these lubes, the Nebula and stuff like that, and the Martian. And this is my first one. Damn. Can you take the cup off the mouse pad? Dale, can you take the soda off the mouse pad? They don't make the mouse pad no more.
Goes on everything.
So scramble this up.
Usually run. Well, this is
That's okay. It's not the greatest scramble, but here is the GTS 3M. So let's do a solve.
Alright, can you solve real quick? Make sure it sounds good. Alright, that's perfect.
Oh, I can't believe I messed up on that.
What was the question again? My fault. Oh yeah.
So
My class, I usually run like a syntax or some shit, and then I use with
that was a quick. That was an easy solve. That was probably like 10 seconds. That was like probably like 15 seconds. Well, now YJMGC. I haven't solved the 6x6 in so long because I lost mine. I lost mine when I went to the supermarket. I had it and I lost it and that was trash. So I said, why not get a magnetized 6x6? Because it's a good 6x6. I heard good reviews on it and it's not that expensive. So I'm gonna get into speed solving bigger puzzles because I mainly just do 2x2 and 4x4.
Tunum's good.
And that's gonna be fun.
Cool.
And next thing, because I know we're in what you want to call it, quarantine. So when there's gonna be competitions, when there's gonna be competitions. I don't know when there is gonna be competitions. Probably going to be competitions in a few after quarantine, which we don't know when it's gonna be done. So we just when there's competition, I'm gonna go to them, okay? And I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm just doing the yellow center.
Where are you trying to land?
Yellow center. Where is that piece? Oh.
Alright, that sounds good.
This is so I'm really slow. My best on a 6x6 is about 5 minutes. And for 5x5, I do about 3 minutes. I'm gonna do Yao on this one because it's
Dan Creeper. You name Dan?
just doing
Is your name actually Dan?
Just doing all these edges because I'm doing Yao, and I do Yao because it helps me remember the color scheme, and I'm not that good at remembering stuff. I mean, I am, but like you don't want to get the color scheme, so I always do Yao. Yeah, this 6x6 turns really well. And it's a good 6x6 for the price, because YJ always puts has the best prices for cubes. Like with the GAN is like too expensive. Like just the budget cube was like 1,000. Like one, I don't have to be like Bill Gates to buy it. There, we need to do that one. Ooh, I'm not used to it, but when I break it in more and I get used to it, I'm gonna be really good.
Can you put it right here? Coronavirus.
Sorry, oh, I just got a pop right there. Good thing this is a good 6x6. Thank God I didn't get a feed cube 6 because that would have been terrible. I would have quit cubing. Alright, now on to edge pairing. So, I'm gonna finish my cross. Sorry, this is a really slow solve. I haven't done 6x6 in so long.
People, but yeah.
I got this from Speed Cube Shop, if you didn't know, by the way. Speed Cube Shop and the cube, I did about the same, but Speed Cube Shop has better lubricant, and the puzzles, I like Cosmic a little bit better than Angstrom. But the prices on Cubicle are unbeaten, so I'd have to give it to Cubicle.
Gas mask.
I'm almost done with it. It's just got parity. Ooh, that was bad.
Forgot we had to chop on the roof.
Oh.
Oh.
Ooh, I'm like really bad with this 6x6 right now. I mean, it turns really smoothly, but I need to get like it takes me like about 3 days to get used to a cube, which is pretty fast to getting used to something.
There's this right here we could do.
So yeah.
Yep.
Oh, I messed up on the G-perm. Great, I like G-perms are the best. Not. So that would have been a great solve if I didn't mess up on G-perms. Or OLO and not PLO. A-perm. Done. So I really recommend these cubes, and I'll see you guys next time with other stuff. Bye.